Good afternoon, gentlemen and ladies, and welcome to the best bike ride on earth, the sequel. It's Saturday, August 24th, 2013. We are just leaving Redondo Beach and entering Hermosa Beach. Our ride today will take us about 16 miles. Sit back, enjoy the view. I'll be right back. Here's why I call this the best bike ride on earth. It's not just the 22 miles of fabulous pavement that runs right along the high tide line, but it's accessible. About 350 days of the day. Just like today. 75 degrees, slightly overcast, very comfortable. And number 2 or 3, it's never the same twice. Way off in the distance you can see some red flashing lights. That means walk the bike. We have found a secret passageway around the restrictions. Watch this. See this red light? It's where you have to start walking the bike. We'll be back here a little later for a beer. Manhattan in Los Angeles, what a concept. There ain't nothing like this in the state of New York. Manhattan Beach Pier, coming up. There's something extraordinary going on up ahead. I see hundreds of bicycles. I wonder what it is. Should we look?
The team at the far court, Kerry Walsh, she's a 3-time gold Olympic medalist.
Welcome back, gentlemen and ladies and viewers around the globe. We're leaving Manhattan Beach, heading north. We've just visited the Manhattan Beach Open volleyball tournament to be broadcast tomorrow, August 25th on CBS. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in your viewfinder is the monster. It's an oil terminal. At anchor, less than half a mile offshore right now, are 2 giant oil tankers. Good afternoon, gentlemen and ladies, and viewers around the world. Welcome back to some of you to the best bike ride on earth, the sequel. We're just crossing the channel between Marina del Rey and Playa del Rey. Tiny, narrow little bridge. Back camera you can see the channel through which dozens of sailboats are sailing. We're going to turn this corner to the right and you'll see the breakwater, very shortly the beach at Playa del Rey. Sit back, enjoy the view for a while. I'll be right back. The beauty of this ride is that the breeze it never gets in your way. It always comes from 90 degrees to the right, give or take 20. So it's hardly ever right in your face. Coming up to Dockweiler State Beach. And yes, that was a jet plane you just heard going overhead. We are right underneath the north runway for Los Angeles International Airport, which is just on the other side of that bluff you can see. Barely 200 or 300 yards from here is the end of the runway. Well, it's a minor inconvenience, but on Saturday afternoon like this, there's not that many flights and we will soon be out of the way, so you won't get them. Welcome back, gentlemen and ladies, to the best bike ride on earth, the sequel. We are just entering Manhattan Beach, California. Yeah, New York on the West Coast. Don't believe a word of it. Believe your eyes and your ears. We will be riding southwards on the Marvin Braude Bike Trail. 22 miles of scenic splendor, stretching from Malibu in the north to Palos Verdes in the south. It's Saturday afternoon, August 24th, a little bit after 3 o'clock. Sit back and enjoy the view. Fast. Slow. Coming into view in the distance is Manhattan Beach Pier. I very often play a game with myself on this little piece of the ride. It's going to be a little bit more difficult today. When you're at sea, nature tells you many things. If you pay close enough attention, one of the things she tells you is the time of day. You can tell it by the position of the sun and the way the shadows are cast. I can do that here at Los Angeles, latitude 33 degrees. On the Manhattan Beach Pier is a clock. It's so overcast today, I'm not really sure. But my guess is that it's about 3:30-ish, give or take 10 or 15 minutes. We're going to look at the clock, see how close I am.